So we're going to present our project program called Animal Guessing Game.
We use 4 headers in this program: stdlib.h, iostream, windows.h, and iomanip. stdlib.h used for the x-axis and iostream is for cout, windows.h is for the design of the program, and iomanip is for the text manipulation of the program.
A class for creating the binary tree and its node. The binary and the tree-node functions will work for the subtree. It will point the left and right child to null. The data field is equal to unit data, same goes for the left and right fields. In our binary tree class, we declare some functions and to be called on in the process. Item pointer data will hold for the data. Binary tree node pointer left will hold for the left field of the tree. Binary tree node pointer right will hold for the right field of the tree. Void set data is a form of constructor that creates new data. Same goes for the void set left and void set right. The constant member functions cannot be altered in the process. It will check for the left and equates left and right fields to null. Last is the private members. Inside it is the item data field for the new data. The binary tree node pointer left field for the left side of the tree, and the binary tree node pointer right field for the right side of the tree.
The function ask and move consists of a string that will serve as pointer for the data. If the system inquires, the current pointer will point on the left, else it will point to the right. This part will serve as a way to initiate the pointer's root and child. There are constant questions in the tree such as, are you a mammal? Are you bigger than a cat? And others which are stored in string variables, and there are also constant answers to choose from. On this one, a new node will be created for the question, are you a mammal? Then it will be attached to the nodes on the left subtree. The child will be set into the left or right part of the new tree depending on what answer the user chooses. It will return to the root after it. Same process for the right subtree, but just the opposite of it. For the function instruct, it will be a user interaction which consists of the front text message, Animal Guessing Game. It is prepared by us, Team BL. The design includes the text colors which are 3F and 1F, and of course, the time of the screen appearance which is 200 milliseconds.
Cout set with 69, welcome to end line. This is for the welcome message. Cout set with 74, Animal Guessing Game, end line for the game title. We use sleep 1000 to hold the appearance text for 1000 milliseconds. Cout set with 15, mechanics. You pretend to be an animal and I will try to guess what you are. Okay, let's begin. Happy gaming. Void learn binary tree node string leaf pointer. This is a function for the learn. String guess animal, the animal that was just guessed. String correct animal, this is animal that the user was thinking of. String new question, a question to distinguish the two animals. Set strings for the guessed animal, correct animal, and a new question. Guess animal equals leaf pointer data. Cout. Okay, I give up. What animal are you then? Ask the user of what animal it is. Get line C in correct animal. User inputs the animal. Cout, please type a yes or no question that will distinguish a. End line, this display the guessed animal and correct animal. Cout, correct animal from a guessed animal, end line. Cout your question. The user types the question. Get line C in new question. Put the new question in the current node and add two new children. Leaf pointer set data new question. Cout as a correct animal. The new question end line checks for the correct answer.
In this slide, we store the answer to leaf PRT to set left and set right function. In the if condition, set left function hold new class string correct animal and set right function hold the new class string guess animal. Then the else condition is vice versa of if condition. This function, we used while and if-else statement. In while condition, it loops as long as it is not currently PRT pointing sleep. If-else statement. If condition is not inquired, the learn function will gather additional information or else condition display the answer is correct. This function, we use do while statement which loop is to check for the yes or no response of the user. Inside of the loop, we have the variable answer that is converted to uppercase letter, and the return value of this function is equal to y.
Char next is the declaration of next variable as a character. This do while loop here is a loop for getting the lines. The while condition means that the loop continues as long as the next variable is not equal to null. Line number 3 is used for calling the function of calling questions. Line number 4 calls for the function instruct, which contains the game title, the group name, the welcome message, and the mechanics of the game. Line number 5 writes the data in the function and calls it. This do while loop from line number 6 to line number 8 loops if the user inputs yes. Line number 9 only appears if the user inputs no.